Honorable, price up, ha ha ha, price up, ha 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 ha. Yes, what up? This is the Kenyan Hexagon, and we are looking at Bitcoin against the US dollar. And you can see right now one Bitcoin is trading at $70,594,000. $70,594. Yes, so you can see this is the price analysis of how Bitcoin has been trading. You can see since 2021, price had made this all-time high. It retested again at that all-time high, but it was rejected at this now, which became a resistance zone. And then price has been down all that time until 2022, when price started again now going up. And in 2024, you can see price tried to break out of this resistance zone, which was previously a resistance zone, and then once it was broken out of, price actually made a new all-time high at almost 126 or $125,000. And then now price has now retested that same zone again, which is here, which was now a previous resistance zone, which is now a support zone. And this is what's up. This is Bitcoin, and this is very paramount important to understand this price analysis. And you can even now get to see some of the things that happened. You can come here and you get this measurement, this price range, just to measure from the previous all-time high. This price had gone down around 76%. Yeah, almost. Let's use the previous all-time high there. It had gone down 77%, and now currently Bitcoin has been having now these this is now what we are calling a retest, or where price is retesting or just making a correction. So once price is up, it makes corrections. Yeah, or when price is bullish, it corrects, or there is that pullback where prices people have taken their profits and now price is retesting. So you can see this one, this current retest, it is negative 52%, and it is started back in 2025 October, when price had made all that had made the all-time high at $126,000. And you can see since then price has been on a bearish trend until now, February, actually March 2026. Yeah, so that is what is happening. And if we go even now to smaller time frames, we are able now to see maybe like this 4 hours. We are able now to see this price movement, where price has been making some now improvements now after it has reached now to this all-time low. Now this was the measurement that you have done. The lowest price has gone since 2025. Now this was the lowest price has gone, which is around at $60,000, around $60,000 there, 59 $60,000. Yes, now since then price has been making these small movements. You can see them now. These are in terms of 4 hours. That means each candlestick here represents how price is performing each after every 4 hours. And now this is very significant because it is showing how price is making now these small movements on its way up. And now actually now this is confirming a good bullish trend that is happening. You can see we can even be able now to go even deeper, just to draw a trend line, so that we can maybe close a gap that has been confirmed right now, where price has made those significant touches around that. Now this is to show that price is still very, very bullish, or rather to mean that the bears are now the momentum of the bears, or the selling pressure, is decreasing at a very high rate. That means price is going up. Yes, that is Bitcoin, and that is what is happening. You can just check it even in the 1 day time frame, so that you can have a closer look what is happening on the daily. Yeah, so I've said since the price had been up since 2025 August, price has been down or has gone down negative 52%, 52.25%. And now these are the small movements that are happening, or rather now to mean this is in the 1 day time frame. So that means each candlestick here represents price performance each day, and this is what's happening. The red candles are representing the bearish momentum or the selling momentum, and the green candles are measuring or are representing the buying momentum. And this is what is happening. You have this lowest point and these next 2 points here that have confirmed a strong support, and you can see now we have drawn another trend line here just to show that price is on its way up. Yeah, so another significant place is now the 75,000 mark, which acts as our quarters theory point. That is to mean a psychological zone, because after 25,000 we go now to 50, and after 50 we go to 75. After 75 now we go to the 100 mark. Yeah, so in significance, that is to mean that price moves in quarters. So now once this price range is broken into, price will be now looking to go back to the $100,000. Yeah, $100,000 mark here. So this is a good buying signal for Bitcoin, and then you are able now to make more significant uh, decisions on its way up. And you can remember now the purple bar or the purple rectangle that is showing now the previous resistance zone now, which is now the support zone. You can see it has been broken out of, and now it has been retested. Yeah, that is another thing now to note about this. So if this successful retest is complete by breaking out of the $75,000, that will mean now we are in a very strong bullish trend for Bitcoin. Thank you. This is Maurice once again. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more in-depth analysis.